Welcome back, everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can go ahead and upload a new folder into your SharePoint site. So all you got to do is come over to the destination where you want to go ahead and upload your folder. So right now we are within our documents on our SharePoint site. So to get there, same thing that I showed you guys in some of the previous videos. You can either click on documents if it's in the navigation, or you can come over to your settings and then come over to site contents. Then once that loads, we just need to go ahead and head over to the destination where we want to add our new folder. So let's go ahead and click on Documents, and we want to add another folder called Employee Benefits. So come over to the New button, click on Folder, and then type it in. Then you can change the color of the folder if you would like to, and then click Create. And then from here, we can go ahead and decide if we want to come in and we can upload some files. We can go ahead and we can add or create some new files from scratch, like Word documents or Excel spreadsheets or PowerPoints. So at this point, you already have your folder, and now it's just a matter of you adding to it or adjusting the permissions to that folder.